This is the Taras trap and I show you how to create it. Here after the moves e4, e5, knight f3, knight f6 and bishop to b5 we have the Spanish opening. a6 is the most common move, bishop a4, knight f6, short castling, and now usually black develop the dark square bishop, but he played knight xe4, the open Spanish. And now we have d4, try to open up the e line, b5, bishop to b3, d5, pawn takes on e5, bishop e6 and c3. The idea is to overprotect this d4 square. Bishop e7, rook e1, short castling and knight to d4. Here black played a mistake. Queen to d7. What is the best? Bishop takes e6. And now after queen takes to e6 we have rook takes e4 and the pawn cannot take back because the bishop pinned that pawn. So white won the game.